Hey guys, let's talk about the impact of our ancestral patterns on our bodies, our health, our radiance, the way we age, our sexuality, our ability to heal, all of it. So, we incarnate into a family lineage, which is going to give us the genetic material to create this particular vehicle, which is the perfect vehicle for your journey. You're also coming into that lineage because of the energetic explorations that they're doing. So perhaps we had a family where they were freedom fighters, and that's in resonance with your mission in this life. But perhaps they were imprisoned and they suffered for it. So that suffering, that trauma also comes down to you. Now, let's take the example, a personal example. I found a photograph of some ancestors of mine, 5 women who'd gone to a photographer around the 1900s, and they were working class women. But what really struck me was how sad they looked in their eyes. And when I tuned into that, I thought, wow, they're really unfulfilled as women. Now, if that passes down the lineage, eventually that's going to drop into the body if it's unhealed. And that's going to look like breast cancer and ovarian cancer and hysterectomy and all of that stuff. But imagine we have an ancestor in the 60s who said, screw all that, I'm going to be free, and who just instinctively decides to be a sexual woman and to fall in love and to be loved as a woman and as a goddess. That act, that way of living, could heal all of that ancestral stuff. But that's not always the case with us. So what we want to do to keep as clear and free as possible is work energetically. Because if you understand that consciousness is the foundation of every part of our life, you know that this is how we can work with it much faster. And when you clear this stuff, it doesn't just clear what's in the body, it also clears how you are out in the world. So if you were looking for a relationship and you've cleared the wounded feminine, of course it's going to impact on your body, but it's also going to impact on how you relate to men and your ability to open to love. So join me for the Body Alchemy Workshop, which I'm relaunching now after taking a break to move from Portugal to Spain. And it's happening on September 13th online at 6 p.m. UK, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And there's a replay for those who are in different locations. And yeah, if you love your body and you just want to be as vital as possible for as long as possible, this is essential. All right, you guys, thank you. I'll see you later. Bye.